Let's solve a projectile motion problem about a rock launched from a cliff. A rock is launched horizontally from a 25-meter cliff with a speed of 15 meters per second. We need to find how long it takes to hit the ground and how far it travels. Let's break down what we know and what we need to find. Here's the information we're given. The cliff height is 25 meters. The horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second. The initial vertical velocity is 0 because the rock is launched horizontally. We need to find the time to hit the ground and the horizontal distance traveled. The key to projectile motion is understanding that horizontal and vertical motions are independent. Horizontal motion has constant velocity with no acceleration, while vertical motion is free fall with gravity pulling down at 9.8 meters per second squared. Let's start by finding how long it takes for the rock to hit the ground using vertical motion. We'll use the vertical motion equation for this. The equation is y equals y naught plus versus naught y times t plus 1/2 a t squared. At ground level, y is 0. Initial height is 25 meters. Initial vertical velocity is 0, and acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Substituting our values, we get 0 equals 25 plus 0 times t plus 1/2 times negative 9.8 times t squared. This simplifies to 0 equals 25 minus 4.9 t squared. Rearranging, we get 4.9 t squared equals 25. Dividing both sides by 4.9, we get t squared equals 25 over 4.9, which is 5.10. Taking the square root, we get t equals 2.26 seconds. So the rock takes approximately 2.26 seconds to hit the ground. Now let's find how far horizontally the rock travels. For horizontal motion, we use a simpler equation. The horizontal distance equals horizontal velocity times time. We know the horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second, and the time is 2.26 seconds. Multiplying, we get x equals 15 times 2.26. This gives us 33.9 meters. The rock lands approximately 33.9 meters from the base of the cliff. Let's visualize the complete trajectory of the rock. Here's the complete trajectory showing the rock's path. It maintains constant horizontal velocity while accelerating downward due to gravity. Let's summarize our final answer. The rock takes 2.26 seconds to hit the ground. It lands 33.9 meters from the base of the cliff. The rock follows a parabolic trajectory due to the combination of constant horizontal motion and accelerated vertical motion.